Hey everyone, Melissa here. Today I'm reviewing this Ace Cool HEPA Air Purifier. This small and sleek air purifier is ultra portable and quiet. Let's test it out. It's pre-fitted with a true HEPA air filter. Just unscrew the bottom when you take it out. You'll see that the back is the high efficiency activated carbon filter and the front is the HEPA filter. The front is a touch panel. This is the power. This is where you press to increase the fan. It runs at 2 speeds. The screen will automatically alternate between your room's humidity and the temperature in Celsius. This purifier can remove 99.97% of dust, smoke, and odors. The small profile is made for smaller rooms, and they do recommend changing the filter every 3 to 6 months depending on usage. So far I've put it in my bathroom and my kitchen and right by the cat box, and it's been working great. I give this product a 10 out of 10. Thanks for watching my review. Be sure to follow my YouTube channel and hit subscribe to see more product reviews.